is brought to you by
CBS Health Watch, sponsored by Anderson Cooper 360. Brought to you by
ABC News Nightline. Brought to you by Making a Difference. Brought to you by
CNN Tonight. Brought to you by Early Start. Brought to you by Friday Night on Aaron Burnett Out Front. Brought to you by This Week with George Stephanopoulos is brought to you by
This weather report brought to you by
Today's countdown to the royal wedding is brought to you by...
And now a CBS Sports Update brought to you by
Meet the Press Data Download. Brought to you by this portion of CBS This Morning sponsored by
on how to find the hidden sugars in the American family diet. Sponsored by